Salvation belongeth unto the Lord. Thy blessing is upon thy people. Obulokozi bubajoli, Ayi Mukama. Emikisa jogiberenga kubantu bo. Ayi Mukama, abalabe bange nga beyongedde obungi, abanfubutukiddeko kunumba nga bange abanjogerako nti Katonda tagenda kumununula. Lord, how are they increased that trouble me? Many are they that rise up against me. Which say of my soul, there is no help for him in God. Golokoka, Ayi Mukama, ondokole, Ayi Katonda wange, okube, abalabe bange, bonna, omenye, oluba, lw'abakola ebibi. Arise, oh Lord, save me, oh my God, for thou hast smitten all mine enemies. Upon the cheekbone thou hast broken the teeth of the ungodly. Nayegwe, Ayi Mukama, bw'engabo yange nkuma, bw'ekitiibwa kyange era bw'onzizamu amaanyi. Nkola Mukama n'eddoboozi ery'omwanguka, nannyanukula ng'asinziira ku lusozi olutukuvu. But thou, oh Lord, art a shield for me, my glory and the lifter up of mine head. I cried unto the Lord with my voice, and he heard me out of his holy hill, Selah. Golokoka, Ayi Mukama, ondokole, Ayi Katonda wange, okube, abalabe bange, bonna, omenye, oluba, lw'abakola ebibi. Arise, oh Lord, save me, oh my God, for thou hast smitten all mine enemies. Upon the cheekbone thou hast broken the teeth of the ungodly. Kalamira nenebaka, era nenzukuka bulungi, kubanga Mukama yampanirira. Sitenge enkumi n'enkumi z'abalabe bange abanneetoolodde okunumba. I laid me down and slept, I awake, for the Lord sustained me. I will not be afraid of 10,000s of people that have set themselves against me round about. Golokoka, Ayi Mukama, ondokole, Ayi Katonda wange, okube, abalabe bange, bonna, omenye, oluba, lw'abakola ebibi. Arise, oh Lord, save me, oh my God, for thou hast smitten all mine enemies. Upon the cheekbone thou hast people say salvation belongeth unto the Lord. Thy blessing is upon thy people say Golokoka, Ayi Mukama, ondokole, Ayi Katonda, wange, okube, abalabe, bange, bonna, omenye, oluba, lw'abakola, ebibi. Arise, O Lord, save me, oh my God, for thou hast smitten all mine enemies. Upon the cheekbone thou hast broken the teeth of the ungodly. Golokoka, Ayi Mukama, ondokole, Ayi Katonda, wange, okube, abalabe, bange, bonna, omenye, oluba, lw'abakola, ebibi. Arise, O Lord, save me, oh my God, for thou hast smitten all mine enemies. Upon the cheekbone thou hast broken the teeth of the ungodly. Salvation belongeth unto the Lord. Thy blessing is upon thy people. Ubulokozi bubajoli, Ayi Mukama, emikisa jogiberenga ku bantu bo. Ayi Mukama, abalabe bange gabe yongedde obungi, abanfubutukiddeko kunnumanga bange abanjogerako nti Katonda tagenda kumununula. Lord, how are they increased that trouble me? Many are they that rise up against me. Many